Oh.
Back to the spot.
Alright guys, what's a cold one? So we got a ton of snow on the ground. Going out with Nick Batista. He's down there tying me a leader because he's a good buddy. And we're gonna try and get some bass, maybe some crappie, maybe some bluegill. See if I can get him with this. Oh damn it. I suck. Winter Jon Boat Adventures. Sketch Fest. Actually, it's not that sketchy. This is beautiful out here though right now. I like this lake. I need to fish it more. It's like right down the road. So now I got the juice. I got the...
You don't need to set it really hard. You got an open hook.
Gotta set the shit out of it, man. I don't play. Look at that! What you got?
A little 13-incher.
Yeah? Wants to jump. There are fish here. Got snow bass. Oh, he's not bad. Yeah, buddy. Feisty for a frozen bass. Oh, feisty. There you go. You want a picture of that? He's like, I'm cold. Oh, shit, I had one. Oh, God. That was quick.
You get a bite?
Oh, yeah.
You get a bite?
Oh, yeah. Bumped the shit out of it. Show me up again, Nick. God damn it. Oh, you shit, dude, that's a stud. Unreal. Dude, that's a nice fish, bro. A little skinny, but hell, that's a stud, man.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah. I'm over here with little ice chicks trying to catch panfish. Oh yeah. Winter bass. What's up with his gill?
Which one?
The left side. It's a little...
Broken.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's clipped. Look, you got messed up right here too.
Yeah.
Look like.
Who knows? It's a good fish, man.
Release.
Hell yeah. Ain't bad, bro. You called that. Feels like it. Feels like a good one, especially because it's so cold. Oh yeah, not bad.
32 pounds.
Yeah. Choked.
Flip.
You think on the 6 pound? Man, now you make me believe them Keitechs are a little better.
Yep.
Come here. A good hook set. It is not bad. He's gonna be maybe 2 pounds. It's a snow bass though. Wow. Exactly 2 pounds. That's hilarious. Caught a snow bass. I can catch fish. Dubbies?
Oh
No.
He came off.
Oh no. I almost had dubbies. Alright, later, bud. He's like, wait, I'm cold. Oh, okay. What happened?
This is a big one.
What? Where'd I catch that? Like right here, didn't I?
You go back to that?
Yeah. Like he lives there. Give her another try. Oh.
Back to the spot, the honey hole.
Yep. Alright guys, well, we'll boat flip him on 6 pound. I'm stubborn and don't believe Keitechs work better than other swim baits, but Nick
Last night I told you.
Nick finally told me put a damn Keitech on, and that's 2 really quick with the damn Keitech. So shout out to Keitech because I'm actually catching fish now. Next time Nick tells me to use something, I'm not gonna argue with him. There's a lot of fish right here.
I got bit.
They're good. Oh man, it's crazy. This Keitechs really are the shit. It's just it's more like action. Like they're like more.
It's yeah.
There's one.
Oh! Nice, Joe.
Why'd I do that?
What was that?
Oh, it felt good. That was a big fish.
How do you know?
Because it was heavy.
What the hell was that?
I set the hook hard.
You set the hook harder than you should for jig fishing. You have 6 pounds.
Dude, I can't help it. I like setting the hook.
Oh.
I know, but I can't help it. Motherfucker, that was a good fish.
Did you get that on video?
No. Yeah, I did. Me. I forgot that I'm not flipping stumps in the middle of spring or fall or something. got here?
Pike?
The pike? Pickerel. Look at that. One pickerel bass.
Lucky. Look, there's something
Oh, look at it.
missing on his back.
The speckleback whale moose. Boat flip. 6 pound. Scared. Well, he's a heavy one. Huh. I would say, probably when he was younger, a bird tried to get him. Look, he wanted it. Dang, that thing is deep, dude. Little guy wasn't playing around. Yep, shoot the background. Everyone's gonna be like, I know that spot. Spot burn. Alright, well, thanks, bud. They fight pretty good for being so cold. Like, I mean, they're not like crazy, but I might be able to get another fish out of this guy, maybe. Funny, man. Just fish ledge in these spots. Doesn't make any sense. I mean, we are, a depth finder's dead, but we are catching them in like, what, 10 to 14 foot kind of? Close to the bank, but.
Sometimes they'll be up close, sometimes they're out here.
Pretty wild, though. Dude, that little dude, like, I thought you had like a 5 pounder. That's awesome. Hell yeah.
Number 8, I think.
Hell yeah, man. Magic bush.
It hasn't been magic.
You did just throw right on it. It's a magic bush. Sounds a little sexual.
I love the magic
Love you some
bush.
magic bush? Well, magic bush don't love me. Oh. Pretty sure I had one. I think I got the hook up. Oh, what happened? I had the hook up on that one and everything. I was pointed right at you. Nick tells me, bring your 1/6 ounce or 1/6 Ned rigs and put Keitechs on there. And it sounds crazy, but it's working. And I was throwing TRD earlier and didn't even get a nibble. So there's definitely something to this.
But you could go around and throw jigs all day here.
Oh, you I wanted one more fish so bad, and he was right there. I don't know how he got off, man. That was a decent one.
Yeah, it was.
That's a pretty good one.
Look at him go. That's probably why we're missing them.
There's tiny little guys. Still fish, dude. Choked it, though. My goodness. Someone needs to tell that fish it's like 30 degrees out here. You don't give a